Here are the most amazing animals of the Amazon rainforest. Jaguar, a powerful predator that can swim and hunt in water. Small, colorful, but extremely toxic. The sloth, one of the slowest animals in the world, living high in the trees. The anaconda, one of the largest snakes on Earth, found in Amazon rivers. The macaw, a bright and beautiful bird with a loud, unique call. The capybara, the world's largest rodent, known for being calm and friendly. The Amazon rainforest is full of incredible wildlife. Follow for more stunning 4K nature videos.